Hello friends, welcome to my channel Technical Arquin, myself Arnab Kundu. This is another video on file handling, and today's topic is that how to use append mode in file handling in C language. Okay, when we talk about the append mode, there are two scenarios. Either the file exists or not. If the file exists, then the file will be opened and the data is written within the file with the existing data is intact, right? But if the file is not exist, then the new file will be opened and the data will be written within that file. So just go to the computer screen. Through IDE, I will discuss how to use append mode in file handling in C language. Okay, so let's dive in. Hello friends, I am just within the DEP C++ ID, and here I will discuss today's code step by step. And today's problem is that how to use the append mode in file handling in C. Okay, when we talk about the file handling in append mode, then two scenarios are there. Either the file exists or the file doesn't exist. Okay, so in that case we just write the code here, and today I will discuss this append mode, how to use within this file handling step by step. Okay, so at first we write the header file, just write hash include stdio.h, and then we just write our main function. So just write int main, and within that we are defining a file pointer. So just write in capital file, and suppose the pointer is fp. Okay, and then we choose a character array. So just write char, and then suppose write data and set the size of the character array is 255. Okay, and then we just open a file. Just write fp equal f open, and suppose we put the file name here, suppose ex_1.txt, and at first we opened it in the mode of write, because at first we write something within that file and then we check if we use the append mode the existing content is intact or not. That's why we at first open the file in write mode. Okay, and then we at first checked if fp equal null, and just write here printf, and within double quote just write error to open the file, and put the new line and end with semicolon, and then just write return 1. Okay, now just do the write mode operation, and now for the writing is concerned within that file, just printf, and just write here at first the argument fp, the file pointer, and suppose we write here hello friends. Okay, and put suppose 2 exclamation, and then we put a new line here and then end it with semicolon. Okay, again we use another function which is a fputs, and just write here suppose within double quote welcome to Technical Arquin. Okay, and then put another new line here and close it. Means this 2 line should be written within the file ex_1.txt. Okay, and now after that we close the file, fclose, just put the file pointer as its argument and put the semicolon after that. Okay, and then now we open the file again for append and checked the existing content is hello friends, welcome to Technical Arquin, are exist or not, means persist within that file or not. Okay, so that's why we are again open the file in append mode. So we just copy this 2-3 lines and just change here, instead of W just write A for append mode, and same thing either to open the file if any problem is there. Okay, Now after we just write here, for appending is concerned, again we using the fprintf, and now we add the new thing. At first we send the argument as fp, the file pointer, and suppose we write here again another line, technical arcon, put a new line and end with semicolon. Again use fputs, this particular function, and send, suppose, and for fputs is concerned, here we should send the argument also, that's why put comma and then again write fp, it needed for fputs is concerned. Same way here we at first write the fputs and then send, suppose, YouTube channel, put new line and end with the another argument fp, and at last end with semicolon. So these two lines are append within the file ex_1.txt, means the existing content intact with these two lines should be added after that. Okay, our program should do this type of operation for append mode is concerned. Okay, and then again we open our file with read mode, just check for that. So that's why we are copy this 2-3 lines, and again we are opening the file with read mode, that's why we are sending here argument r, and same way for any problem is concerned, for file opening it should give an error. And now we are just read the file, so that's why after the reading the data should be displayed in the console, that's why you are using this loop while, and send here f gets, means it will retrieve the data, means read the data from the file, and here we send the data, this character array, and then we send its size 255 and the file pointer, and also check here not equal null. Okay, until unless it's equal to null, this loop will be going on and on. And here we just write printf, means it will retrieve the data and print it within the console, and what it print in form of string, so %s, and then we just write here comma and just data and then close it. Okay, and then after do this we should close our file, so just write f close and the argument should be fp. Okay, and for this append is concerned, when we do this for append we should close the file also, same thing, same like before opening the append, close the write mode, same before opening the read mode we should close it. So that's why you are just write here f close fp here also. Okay, put the semicolon, and at last we just write here return 0. So we already write the code within the file ex_1.c, this is a C program file, and our file where we do this write, append and read operation, this file name is ex_1.txt. we save it, and now if we compile it, so there is no error. Okay, now we execute it, just see whatever written into there. At first the write mode, hello friends is there, welcome to technical arcon, it's also print here. After appending, this two line is also added, technical arcon and the YouTube channel. So that means when we are using this append mode, if the file exists, then what happen? It will write the data within the file with the current content is intact. If the file does not exist, it will open a new file and the data is written within that. I hope you have understood today's video. Today's video is very simple, how to use append mode in file handling in C. If you like this video, please like it, share it. If you have some doubts for today's video is concerned, just write in the comment section. I will try to solve this problem. Those who are still not subscribed my channel, please subscribe it. Keep watching Technical Arcon for more videos, and also write in the comment section what type of video you want to see. Okay, so today up to this. Thank you and bye bye.